All right, guys. Thanks for watching. You know what they say? Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.
Your bag-ass crew needs you to share these videos. It's a real tough game, this YouTube business. We put a lot of, we put our heart and soul into this.
A lot of effort, bud.
What?
A lot of effort.
Yeah, a lot of effort.
It's fun.
You know, we're having a great time. We're in the shop working on this stuff. We're editing videos on the side. We're not, thriving at this by any means. We're not millionaires. In fact, we're not even making enough money to cover what we're doing. But what we can do is encourage you guys to make sure you're subscribed. So if you're not subscribed and you don't have a YouTube account, please take a moment to sign up for one. And subscribe to Bad Gas.
Bad Gas Production.
Heck, subscribe to all the other people that you like to watch, because they like that support too. Another thing that helps us, if you comment in the videos below, let us know what you think. If you don't think we're doing a good job, blame him.
Yeah, we love to reply. Keep up with you guys. It's awesome. Some of the stories and stuff you say is cool. Kind of get into it, and we enjoy that. Smash that like button, of course, and like you say, just share us around. We really appreciate that. Helps us like when we're small, anything like that. Just a couple seconds.
Hey, if you find us boring, share us with people you don't even like.
Sharing good.
Thanks, folks. Have a good night.
Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Dark Juice.
What was it? That's what he got me with last week.
You know, it's pretty
There's not no sponsorship.
I dare you to lick it.
No.
Why not? Why won't you lick it?
Because it would hurt for a long time.
Pay you $5 to lick it.
Think more than that.
All right, so these guys are slipping the dash in here because we need to figure out where the dash is going to be so we can figure out where we want to mount our computer. Hey, hey.
Speaking of pretty.
This is our ECU mount. Rod got this plate made up.
Thanks to the guys at Barrier Forge, done me a solid.
Thanks, guys.
Awesome gear. Those guys are awesome.
Over the years, Barrier Forge has fixed all kinds of little bits for cars I've been working on.
Yeah, they're good. Pretty good to me.
Thanks, guys. This is essentially going to hold our ECU, or PCM, whatever you want to call it, up under the dash of the Firebird here. Special delivery! Special! Special something. Why are you making out, Rod?
Install.
You got it done? You got it done?
Yeah, just gotta put the computer back down.
Ooh. Oh, you want a computer?
Yeah.
All right, Rod, show me your work.
Yeah.
What you got done down there?
All right, so we mounted that bracket and the computer and got it all bolted in, the wiring and the plugs. And actually the wiring actually comes out perfect to where the old bins used to be.
Nice job.
Yeah.
So that's good.
A little bit of a bugger, but
Good job. You're the best guy around.
oh,
Second best. Third best? Fourth.
Am I in front of you, Andrew?
We're equal opportunity as well. Hey YouTube! Hope you guys are having a great night. Rod and I are here working on the Trans Am.
Another night.
Another night, we're solo tonight. Some of the other guys got other things going on, so we're moving things forward.
Forward is good.
Got a lot of wiring to finish up tonight. These are a couple sub harnesses we made. Gonna chuck them in the car. A little neater than that.
It's a little neater than that one, but
Rod's working on the PCM. We decided it's a little too floppy, so we're gonna adjust the mount there a little bit. Bang, fix that up. What else are we doing?
we're working on these speakers here. We got these brackets that you ordered in for the speakers here.
Woo-hoo, use it.
So that's proper support. Just a few odds and sods that we've been ordering up and trying to find. So we need these things just to keep moving.
Yeah, that's right. We're trying to get this thing ready to put carpet and interior in. So the wiring tonight's just little stuff like Rod said, odds and sods. We got a back panel back here, a filler panel by the window. So basically by the time we're done, I think here tonight, we'll be able to get the whole crew in here, put the carpet in, put the back seats, some of the plastic back in. Got a window guide book to kind of put the front, back window in. Moving things forward.
Yep. It's going to be a good night.
Enjoy the show.
Forward for the next time.
Sweet. Woo. All right, guys. So these little brackets, they hold the speakers, and they didn't come in their car, so we had to order them off of eBay. Sometimes that's how it is. I couldn't find any new ones, so I don't even know if you could buy new ones. But anyways, they bolt in, and in a second I'll grab the speakers, and the speakers kind of go in these as well. And then there's a little cover that goes over the whole thing. Boy, yeah, that fits in there great now.
Nice and easy.
Good job, Mark.
I tell you.
Wow.
Look at the feet hanging out there. Rod's at it again. How you making out, pal?
Oh, round two. I wasn't happy with the way the mount mounted up the other night. It was tight, but it wasn't the way I wanted it, so took it all off again. It was caught up on the welds, so I drilled out the aluminum here a little bit, changed up the way this was mounted, so now it's part of the car.
Not gonna flop around.
So we're just gonna mount the computer back in, plug all these harnesses back in again, and get back to where we was the other night, but now I'm happier.
Good job on quality control, man.
Quality control!
Alright guys, so we got this panel in. So basically use stainless steel screws and a little bit of sealer to glue the screw in and make sure the holes don't leak. So this part's done, ready for glass.
Nice job, man.
Okay, what have you been working on?
Oh, I just working the fuel pump wiring.
Fuel pump wiring.
Yep.
Right.
Back to the trunk there, we're going to be hooking up the connections and relay later, but just ran it up here, got it up here for now. And I got hanging out with Mark for a bit.
So guys, if you haven't been watching all our videos, this is an LS swapped Trans Am. So we're adding some extra wire here. Obviously we have a fuel pump in the car that wasn't there before, and that means there's some extra wires. We also ran some extra wires to the back for future possible modifications.
Spares.
Yeah, so Rod's got that in, and now I think we're gonna work on this big coily mess over here on the floor. That's speaker wires and everything. We're putting that on the other side of the car to keep it away from the power.
Yeah, you can hear what happened. You don't want that in the car.
Screws. So Rod's just putting the cable management tracks in. I don't know what they're really called, but
That's nice, buddy.
that's what I call
Oh
them.
yeah, that's perfect word.
Cable management racks. Cable management tracks.
Here we go.
So essentially they just cover over all the wires, right? And they just screw down, and then the kick plates go over them. So you can see the driver's side one here. Rod's working on the passenger side one there.
That's nice. That looks way better. Yeah, you're up and around. Clean up this a little bit.
I think we should add a couple extra there.
What's that for?
Just right up here, Rod, where the little slit is by your left hand there.
Holes here?
Yeah, like I'll hold
Yeah,
it down while you. I'll come and step on it or something.
That's easy.
Hey, how'd we make out tonight?
Oh, it was a great night. Got a bunch of wiring ran, and kick panels on, and a whole bunch of cool stuff. Chit chat. Yeah.
Rod got the ECU remounted.
Yeah, earlier.
All happy about that. We got
Yeah.
whatever you call those, the kick plates, sill plates.
Wire protectors.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So guys, we'll be at this in another day or so with the rest of the crew, and the plan here is to put all the carpet in and the plastic in around the back seats, and then the back seats themselves. So we're moving forward, and then next will be the dash. So moving forward, pretty soon we'll be able to have a nap in the car.
It's gonna be nice. A what?
A nap.
A nap? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure I had one the other night.
Indeed.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, folks.